M&J Habitat here, day 6, hive inspection.
Yeah, getting ready to go into the hive, see what the bees are doing. Been almost a week. If I can get it open.
Wow.
Got her tight, huh?
They got her glued down good. I don't want to keep bumping on that box.
Oh. Okay, got it pried loose. That was stuck good. Little smoke on them. Probably got a little mad. Oh, pollen patty's still there.
Two, three, four, five, 6, 7 frames of bees.
Well, they're eating a pollen patty.
A little bit.
So they seem pretty calm. What's that stuff right there?
That's wax.
Look, he's got on him the wax.
Yep.
Oh, they're working on it.
They're starting to draw on this.
Starting to draw. The other one they're drawing a lot. Look how much they put on that next one.
Hold on.
Wow. Wow, they built a lot on that one. Look at all that. Wow, they drawed that out a lot, didn't they?
Yep.
Wow. That's a new frame. Yep. Here's one of our new frames. Look how much they drawed out already. Wow. Look at them. Sure drawed a lot on it, didn't they?
Yep.
You see anything?
Nectar.
Oh, there's red underneath that bee.
That's some pollen. Looks like our fishing line is working excellent.
Yep.
The bees are building the comb right around the fishing line. The starter strip is working just
Are
like
you
it
going to
was
leave that
supposed
out
to.
or leave it, put it back in?
Yep. Sorry, girl. This was the new frame that they had just drawed out. Looks like it's 100% drawn now. Oh, heavy.
Oh, look at that.
Heavy, heavy, heavy.
Mm-hmm. Look at the honey.
That's all honey. Can't hold my arm in the air like that.
Look at them bees. Put it back in right now. When they drawed out almost the whole thing of a frame here on a new one.
Yep, this was another
new one.
starter strip that we put in. Come on, girls.
Don't move, just...
Yeah, I got guard bees.
Okay. Yeah, they filled that one almost all the way up. Wow. Amazing.
Well, we're getting lots of drawed comb. Still not seeing any eggs. Not seeing any eggs.
They're getting a little testy. See them?
Yep. I hear them.
Yeah, they're in the front, all flying around, coming off of their frame. Is that comb up there at the top?
Brood.
Brood.
We got brood.
Brood. Look at that. Wow. That's all the white stuff.
That's pollen.
Okay. Oh. It's falling out. It's falling out. Look at the honey.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Trying to see if I can see the queen.
Yeah, I'm looking. She ain't gonna be on this one. She ain't on that one. Why they got their head stuck in like that?
They're eating.
Oh.
Or they're feeding baby bees.
See the yellow?
I don't see the queen. I'm not
Oh,
seeing
look.
any eggs.
Look at the planes.
I can't.
There's another one. What, they having a plane exhibit?
Maybe.
There's another plane.
I see capped honey.
Yeah.
This was another starter strip.
Well, they dropped that almost full.
6 days, and they went from a starter strip to full frame.
Wow. Good job.
We got larvae.
Good. That good?
We got larvae right here in the center. Right in the center, right
Oh,
there.
that white stuff. I see them.
We got larvae.
All the babies.
We've got a laying queen, folks.
See, up here too.
Yep.
I see
That's what we wanted to see. We got larvae all over
I
the
see
place.
what you mean, like little
And
worms.
this is brand new capped brood.
Look at all these. Oh my God. See all them?
Yep. Okay.
Look at all the larvae, honey.
Our queen's working.
Oh my God. Look at all the larvae.
That's what we wanted to see, folks.
Unreal.
Our queen is working.
Boy, that's interesting. That's a bunch
I am
of
so glad to see
bunch of
larvae.
little eggs, aren't it?
I am so happy to see that.
Okay.
Capped honey.
Yeah, look at
Got
that.
some brood. Got some pollen.
What's this?
Got some larvae.
Got a cell?
That's a drone cell.
Okay. I don't
We
see
got
it.
larvae down here in the bottom.
Yeah.
See it? See it on the edge
Yes,
right
I
there?
do.
Be nice if I could spot this queen, but it really doesn't
Yeah, let
matter
me
at this
see.
time. We know she's in here. We know she's laying. And we've got drawed frame.
Wow, that's interesting.
And we got another starter strip back here.
I've not got stung once. Wait, look at the new frames. He's working hard on that next one. Still haven't seen her. Wow.
Got nectar.
Is this, no. Shit.
Okay. So everybody's doing what they're supposed to be doing.
Look at her drawing on that one now, see?
Yep. Starting on that one.
So she's in
Alright.
there, we just can't find her, huh?
So I want to kind of move these girls around a little bit. Another starter strip, give these girls something to do. Well, we got babies.
Yes,
That's
we got
good.
babies. Is that her right here? Look. There.
Yep. Well, I'll put another starter strip in here next to that brood. Keep these girls building frame.
I don't see her anywhere. They're like, come on, get that back in there so we can get in here and put our honey in here. Look at all of them. Getting a little testy, honey.
No, they're not. They haven't even bumped me.
No.
Not at all.
Hey.
Not at all. Some bee space going on here. Got my honey frame to the outside.
Is that where you wanted it?
Yep. Okay.
Excellent job.
Day 6 and the girls are looking nice. We got larvae.
Got brood.
We got brood.
We got honey.
No. Listen to them.
Hot up happy. Yeah, I hear him.
Doesn't look like they're touching his pollen very much.
Looks a little dry.
Hey, girl. And this box is really stuck.
Yeah, they glued her down good.
Keep the sugar to them.
Excellent. We don't need them.
Keep building out some frame.
We got plenty of sugar water.
Still got some ants running around. Didn't see any small hive beetles.
Yeah, we didn't see any beetles.
Nope.
That's good. Well, that was a good job.
I can quit fretting now over whether or not I got a laying queen.
Yeah. We know she's laying.
So all looks good in the hive. Okay, that's M&J Habitat, Hive Inspection, Day 6. Everything's looking fantastic. Thanks for watching.